Outdoor testing at Ascension and Milwaukee should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin until 4:30 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cedarburg, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mequon, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Soapville, Fiensville, and Newburgh. People attending outdoor testing at Aurora in Grafton and outdoor testing at Ascension and Mequon should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor